Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about three altcoins: XRP, Ethereum, and Sol. Let's dive in. All right, guys. Nothing special happened on the market. This cycle is so annoying by stupid manipulation. Yes, it's manipulation, and yes, it's happening all the time, every single cycle. You know, the price pump it before an expectation, after we dump it. But the problem is, guys, it's so annoying because the altcoins, all this last 3 years, just stay at the all-time low. So that's the point. You know, just a few of them pump it because lack of liquidity. And that's the main problem. Now, this stupid website like showing us into the block or blockchain center, I guess, showing us, so we are in crazy altcoin season. So yesterday, or 2 days ago, it was like 100 points of altcoin season. So it's altcoin season. And altcoins at an all-time low. So how is it even possible? Just a few altcoins like Ethereum perform pretty good one, XRP perform, Sol perform, and now few of alts brand new one perform, and all other tokens just stay on the same line. And it's kind of weird, you know, because of lack of liquidity, lack of fresh new liquidity. So for XRP, let's take a look. We come back again to the range of is 61 level by 50 and 78. So it was there, weekly gap. So let's check the monthly. Monthly is here. So we just test the monthly gap, and 50% it will be around like $2.56. Imagine the smell if we drop to 254 or even the full field 238. So people draw once again the triangles. So support, and it could be the support, and we have to break it out higher. We dump it, we move out and come back. So we should not use these stupid trend lines, because all of these trend lines is just the hypothetical stuff. After the fact, it works. In real time, it won't work. So what's attractive for next few days, guys? It's a sweep of this liquidity pool. Yes, it's so annoying. I understand you and me are tired about this cycle because even the situation with the ETH recently. So a lot of weird stuff happened at this time with the fundamental tokens. So for XRP, guys, I'm waiting the sweep of this low, and if we count like this is like monthly gap. So approximately we can drop to 253, 248. So yes, it's going to be weird, but we still got like 8 or 9 days in September. September could be red months. I hope the October will be bullish one. But the problem is, imagine the smell also about for altcoins if we will see just a bullish October, November, and that's it. It will be just a horrible cycle. Of course, the M2 money liquidity now skyrocketed to the moon, so Bitcoin should follow. The gold maybe start going to correction. The correlation between the gold and S&P 500, DXY, and the BTC I explained in my video. So everything looks good, but for BTC. So that's the problem, guys. Because just to be honest, in Twitter, everybody like Bitcoin maxi, but in fact, most of the retailers invested in alts, and the part of that investors invested in the memes and wrecked. So this is a local drop, 253, 256. It's more than good to see. I don't think so. We're gonna drop to the next monthly gap. This one, not now. Also, I don't think so. This is the end of cycle for the XRP. I think we will go higher to 482. This one. So just a matter of time, but would be good to see the drop lower in the next few days. So that's why, guys, if you don't have a plan to open position now, so just skip it. Just go walk and, I don't know, spend the time with the family. Just close this stupid charts, guys. Just wait when we will go in a sideline, maybe a few days here, chop, and after that, maybe reversal move. If not, congrats. We just wasted some part of our life just watching this random fancy charts. All right, so for XRP, guys, I'm, of course, to everybody who waited, the XRP like $10 or so, Just think twice before buying XRP now. If you want to buy now XRP, the target, even the $5 is going to be just 100%. So risk reward, not good one. Of course, guys, if you're XRP fan, if you believe in that cool token, if you believe in the XRP should shift the financial system, change this financial system, and nobody gonna use the Swift because we Swift transfers. We will see the Ripple. I congrats. The same fairy tales we hear even here. So nothing new for the rumors around the XRP. So weekly gap 256 also, you know, like a monthly gap, weekly gap, so attractive. That's why it would be not a mistake to wait, just wait on the sideline. Sometimes better skip the token, better skip the trade, just be on the sideline. ADZ I can't show you because it's a global chart. There's not a good time to sell. It's not a time to sell. Time to sell will be a little bit higher with another top. So no signals to sell on the weekly time frame for XRP. Last one was in January 25. So yes, it's like a trill zone, but I think we will see one more leg up on XRP. I don't know why the market dumped it, because maybe just expectation. So we pumped 2 hearts, 10K on a BTC, you know, and Ethereum still not hit the new all-time high again. So it's kind of weird stuff, weird cycle, so weird. It looks like, you know, we are in that market stage when the institutional decide, oh, all right, so we're going to pick this token, this token, this token, and all of other tokens going to be the scam. Who cares? So this looks like this one. And some of tokens like Injective, XRP, Sol, Ethereum, maybe in top hundreds, maybe just, I don't know, 20 tokens pump it. Pretty good one. All others is just at all-time lows. Take a look on XRP, or not XRP, ICP. 250, it's 230. It's a historical all-time low, and now it's 450, 430. What's the point? $2 difference between the now current price and the historical all-time low. It's so annoying, guys. That's why, yes, 253, 255 maybe will be okay time to buy XRP. But on the spot, I'm not recommended to trade now with the leverage. Of course, if you trade with leverage, just use stop losses. So it's okay. This believe on a daily. It's good one. So market mood on the daily is good. Take a look at the money power. No money inflow. Money inflow is here. We pump it on XRP 17% and dump without any reason. So guys, finally we got this one, 17 September. So they cut the rates. Everything should be bullish, right? But we going down to bearish. Work like a clock. So at least one thing's never changed. So all the time, the rumors pump the price, and after the fact, dump the price. So this work like a clock, cycle after cycle. Why? I don't know. Maybe because the human nature never changed. We're at the little bit over the middle line on the money power. So no money inflow, no money outflow. This one more reason why I don't think so. It was a top all-time high for XRP. I think we will go higher. Trade on, sell. Yes, it was so obvious to sell. No buyback signals. Daily, sell, buyback, and nothing more. You know what is most scary things for alts? If we will see the extended cycle. Extended, I mean, even if we will see the bullish targets like in spring, imagine the 5 years, if it will be the 2026, 5 years, we're just in a crazy emotional statement on the altcoins. 5 years. We'll look at these charts. So it's so weird. It's so weird. That's why, guys, yes, take a look at the last indicators, take profit. Yes, here the take profit line 386, exit line on the daily a little bit higher, like 435. So yes, I don't think so it was the top of the top. No, I think we'll go higher. Do you believe we're going to test the buy line on the daily like $1.94? If we will, yes, it will be the confirmation. So this cycle extended in time. Because to recover back from $2 to $5, we need more time. Weekly time frame, Also looks weird because it's $2.33. It's a test above the exit line on the weekly. Exit line on the monthly, it's $1.09. I don't think so. We're gonna test this one. 12-hour time frame, we're just in the middle. So we just by luck, you know, like flip the coin to buy or not. I'm skip now. And of course, I don't believe we're gonna drop to $2 like at the buy line on the daily. No, I don't think so. I think we go in the sideline like $2.35, $2.56, 53, some sideline, maybe test $2.38, this 161, and go higher. So I believe in higher price target. It's not because I'm bullish or I'm BTC or XRP Maxi. I don't care about these tokens, guys. It's all about just basic price action. So for XRP, targets showed you. Ethereum, that this is a Fed decision about rate cuts. So they have to print the dump money and we have to go to the moon and we landed back. Weird. We sweep liquidity, but it's not enough. It's not enough to sweep this liquidity. We're not liquidating even the guys who opened the trade with this 100x leverage. So the next step is, I guess, going to be here. So the full fill of weekly gap 3,938, monthly 3,931. So drop under 4K will be so amazing for Ethereum, I guess, because a lot of people will open more short because we'll see the in media, influencers start showing you the cycle ended, you know, we trap it and all of this absolutely nonsense stuff. Is it possible so the cycle ended like this one we not hit even the 5K? Yes. We can't do nothing with that possibilities. So it's just one of many chances, right? Many of scenarios. That's why I believe that the target will be a little bit lower, like 3,878. It's going to be the perfect scenario because we still got like one more week this month. So this one, 3,878. So for me, it's going to be the perfect scenario. Let's double check, guys. ADZ direction market mode. This is on the beat stump. Check the weekly. Here it was a distribution. Now we just a little bit drop almost to the middle line. This was a preparation for the sales. Nothing bullish one now for Ethereum. Trill zone. Also nothing bullish. Bullish, I guess, will be under 4K. If we not hold the line the 4K, yes, it's 380, 3,800 is more than possible to see. Money power, no money inflow. We're at the top, but without any money inflow. Here it was at top. Money outflow. Daily. Let's check the daily. RSI, bearish divergence, MACD, bearish divergence, sideline since end of August. Now the end of September, and we just drop it down without any money inflow. No new liquidity, no new fresh money, only the distribution. Take a look, only distribution even on a 12-hour time frame. That's why even if we will see the last leg up, guys, you have to mark now the prices where you would like to out of alts and Ethereum and a BTC also. Sell. No signal to buy, guys. So today I got the alerts here. ICP cross, and I just basic cross line by price. Take profit signal, not confirm it. So we triggered that signal, but not confirm it yet. We need to wait the daily close in the next next 4 hours. 4 hours time frame on 4 hours time frame. Yes, this is a sell. So sooner or later, guys, we will see the take profit signal confirm it on 12 time frame. Maybe some sideline, some chop. You know, the more people, you know, accumulate the short position, and after that we maybe see the one more sweep and go higher with the longs. Also, take profit signal Algorand was triggered, and Arbitrum for 4 hours time frame signal triggered. That's why, guys, all targets relevant. Just wait, just no rush, because if you want to open trade now, of course it's up to you. But here the drop is going to be like here, 10% to 3K800, for example, it will be your liquidation 100% with 10x leverage. So just be careful. Sometimes better just close the charts, go to work, and forget about this fancy internet tokens, absolutely useless tokens for a minute. Here's a take profit line. It's 12 time frame 5K900. Exit line 6K676. I believe in this is going to be around the top of the top for Ethereum. The buy line on 12 time frame 2K972. I don't think so. We're going to drop that low. Here, buy line on the daily 2K500. I don't think so. We're going to drop that low again. 5K100. It's take profit line. Exit line. It's 5K748. Weekly. Test of take profit line about on the weekly. It's 4K25. So this is what I wish to see. This week or the next one, it's hard to say about timing. Monthly, of course, we way higher on the month above the monthly time frame, but does it mean we have to drop in the bear market? It's possible. Basically, it's possible. Maybe all this time period is just a range, and it's a deviation. Maybe we can't know, guys, in the moment. You know, of course, we want to see up only charts, but what if? Just what if? Do you have a plan? What to do? We can't control only the size what we're buying the tokens. That's why now, of course, we can't be extra bullish. We can't be extra bullish because time to be bullish was here. Imagine it's a monthly time frame, monthly shop. So we wasted a lot of time with this tokens, just charting. Here, 63%. It's a potential all-time high. Let's say even the 7K, 750. 7,500 is going to be 80% profit. So we can't be extra bullish for Ethereum now. Even if we go to the 9K, like 900s, it's only 138% profit. This is not what we're looking for from the alts in an altcoin season. Here is a super decision about the rate cuts. Yes, at least the Sol pump it. At least some Sol pump it from 232, 253, to $20 pump. What next? Now we hold the line at 78. I believe in new all-time high for Sol. Should we drop in the test this trend line under 200? I don't think so. Imagine the smell on the market again if we drop to 189 or even test of this trend lines. It's going to be just madness in the market. Everybody can just cut all their losses and out of this stock and never come back. Come back at new all-time high maybe again. Also weird. Here is a preparation to sell. Sell. Yesterday was signal to sell based on direction indicators. This is a what is it? This is some like optimism, but everything's showing us about the correction, and it's kind of weird. Oh, this is not accumulation on the ADZ. Wow. No accumulation based on direction indicator. This is a trill zone on market mood. Guys, we need just to pray for the last leg up, and that's it. If we will not see the last pump, it's going to be so bad. So bad. Imagine if the Sol hit just an all-time high and that's it. Of course, now that feeling like you scare maybe, but maybe this is the last chance. Maybe this is the last chance until the next one to buy the alts. But I'm not rush. You know, I'm waiting my target for ICP. I'm waiting the target for a near protocol, what I shared, and wait the target for Algorand. All other tokens, I totally don't care. Spot position, I hold it. For many tokens, guys, just to be honest, for many tokens, if we will see the miracle and the alts will bounce back to some recover, you know, I will out of the break even. Because, you know, I don't want to froze the stable coins that long. I'm better use that stable coins for the futures trades than just stock in the spot again. So that's the point. It's not like it because I'm panic seller and I will out of coins at a break even. No, I just want to use my stable coins not on the spot to froze it. I don't want to be the diamond hand. I don't want to be the long-term holder who's just a stock, who not as just a long-term holder. I'm just stock. For example, I'm stock in Starknet. Yes, I bought a Starknet at 45 an average price. And now, I don't know, even the price like 10 cents again or 13. So no, guys, I'm not a long-term holder. I'm just stock in token. Yes, that's a difference, you know, between this channel and other channels. So if I'm stuck, I'm stuck. I made a mistake. I'm not a diamond hand. I'm not a long-term holder. I'm not believing in Starknet like in Taj. That I'm not a Starknet maxi. I don't care about this token. I made a mistake and I'm stuck in this token. That's why I'm waiting the pump to 50 cents, for example, on the Starknet. I'll try to out at the break even. Maybe I'm gonna add even the limit order to out, you know. And if the Starknet will go higher, I totally don't care. I totally don't care, because I'm better use that stable coins for the futures trades. So Sol, here we're at the top. No signal to sell. You know what's bullish trigger and driver can be for the alts in October, November. By some rumors, in the next weeks or the months, we can see around 100 approved the ETFs. Also, just a few days ago, I guess some ETF was approved for Dogecoin and the XRP, and nothing happened. That's why, even with the approved ETF, guys, reduce your expectation, reduce the targets what you're trying to add for the alts and wait the crazy profits. Just reduce expectation, because our expectation, our own problem. So the crazy scenario for the Sol, it's a test of the trend line around 169. I don't think so. We're going to drop that low, just to be honest. Monthly time frame, nothing, no gaps, nothing. That's why it's hard to imagine. So the October will be red one. If it will, you know, it just or end of cycle, or the cycle will be extended till spring 26, which will be so annoying again. So Solana target is still relevant. I hope it's just a shakeout, not like a shakeout, just a basic trade, and we go in higher in October. If not, guys, we are in trouble. We are in huge trouble. Daily money power, no money inflow yet. Here's a money outflow. Funny how the whales distribute their bags 4 days before the rate. And somebody want to tell me there is no insider traders. Direction, here's a time to sell was yesterday. So congrats if you traded and if you track the Sol. I'm not track the Sol. Trade on, guys. Sell. Also, sell was 3 days before the Fed decision. Weird. Here was a sell also on September 19 on the daily. Now no signal to close position, to buy or so. Take profit, guys, here. 12 time frame, take profit 275, exit line 311, buy line 139. I don't think so. About this target, buy line on the daily 125. I don't think so. We're going to drop that low. So now we just try consolidate around the take profit line. That's why the best case scenario, guys, for Sol, if we just go in and chop 220, 234, and after that go higher. You can draw the three angles. You can draw whatever you want, guys. But I believe in this top and this top, end of cycle. So this is the last maybe impulse going to be the head and shoulder and crash it down. So this is my take, guys. So now, yes, I totally understand. It's so weird when in 1 hour, without any bad news, without any thought, any rumors, just nothing. You just waking up in one hour, just 1 billion liquidation longs. Welcome to the crypto. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Write please in a comment what do you think about this current market statement now. And do you believe in new all-time highs for the alts, or everything is over? If you like to trade as my customer, like I said, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.